In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open a FTMO demo account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up any browser that you want to use. Then from here, you need to go up to the URL and click on ftmo.com/eng for English. If you want to change your language, you can also do it over here by changing from English to any of these different languages. From here, you'll need to create an account, and you can do that by going down here to click free trial. Then this page should be popping up where you can add in your email address, your password, and you can also continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with your Apple ID. Once you have created your account, it should be looking something like this. And as you can see up here, you can either click New FTMO Challenge, but we are not interested in that right now. We want to open an FTMO demo account. And to do that, you need to go down to Account Overview and then down to Free Trial down here. And as you can see here, you can practice trading for 14 days, risk-free environment where there's unlimited retries. And to do it, you simply need to click Start Free Trial. From here, you can choose your account balance, whether or not it should be USD, Euro, or any of these other different currencies. You can choose the balance, and all of these are free. So let's just choose the $25,000. Then from here, you can add in account type, where you can choose between FTMO and FTMO swing. And this basically means whether or not you want to swing trade or not. From here, you'll also need to choose a platform, either MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or DX Trade. From here, you need to go over and say you want to subscribe to newsletter, which is optional. You can also choose this off and then click Start Free Trial. Once you've done this, you can see that you have credentials. And here you can directly open MetaTrader 5 and download it for Windows, open web, or download for iOS or other things. Here you'll need to log into your account, and then you can start your demo account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!